Hello, everyone. This is Tom with Stock Navigator. First of all, I would like to say thank you very much for each and every one of you have been following me on the YouTube channel. As Stock Navigators, there are two methods that we are teaching. First, we show you how to swing trade to make a bigger profit and stay on the trade longer. Second, we teach you how to day trade future to make daily income by using price action combined with our own strategy. We don't trade penny and pump and dump stock. We teach you how to use modern technical analysis based on the crowd psychology and the pattern recognition, combined with the trend follow so that you can read and understand the chart, so that you can trade side by side with the watches trader. If you know how to draw the line and connect the dot and understand the market psychology as well as human emotion, and if you know what tool that the professional trader use to enter and exit the trade to get the minimum risk with the high reward ratio. So if you understand that, you can will become a successful trader and you can manage your own financial like 401k, mutual fund, or stock portfolio that you have. And every day you can generate the extra income for you and your family. Right now, with a lot of bad news out there, all related to coronavirus, the more people die, more people get laid off. People are thinking the market is going down, and that's why the people scare. But if you have been following me, and then every day I point out the market direction so that you can follow, so that you can do swing trade or day trade and make some money and support your family. So today I'm going to recap what we're doing. So if you have been following me on the previous YouTube video, yesterday in our live trading room, we tell our member that the market will hit here, that the target for the day, so they get there and then they pull back down. And then when we pull back down, we give you another blue box so that you know where they're going to stop and revert. And last night they come back down, they stop right here and revert. And this morning, when market opened in our live trading room, I told our member the market will hit to this level today, and then they get there. So if you understand how to read the market, how to understand how to the market move, and then you'll be able to tell exactly where they go. So this is the E-mini SB 500. Every point move at $50. So from level to the next level, you cannot get them all, but if you can get decent amount, it's good income to support for your family. So look at the smaller time frame this morning. When the market opened in California at 6:30, the institution they slam it down. After they slam it down, the market revert, and then they pull back up. They pull back. This one used to be a support, resistance. Now become a support. So I enter right here, take one trade, and let it ride to the target, and then we're done for the day. So total net profit for today, $2,765 for April 24. So it get some extra income for Friday. It's good. So if you know how to do this, you can earn some extra income for your family. So this is the day trade recap for today. So if you like what we're doing here every day, please give me a thumb up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you want to learn more about our strategy, our method of trading, and how to read the chart, how to understand the financial market, please check out our website at stocknavigators.com for more information. Again, thank you. Have a nice weekend, and we'll see you in the next video.